Hello, today we're going to talk about how to use SmarMusic. First of all, you want to find music. You can go to Band and Orchestra. Let's say we wanted to work on Hanukkah Dance. So you can double click on Hanukkah Dance, and up here you can select your part. We'll select flute, and we'll open it. Here we have your flute part just as it appears in your folder. Now we might want to slow down the speed of this, so we'll go down to 100. That's close enough. If you want a metronome to click, go ahead and hit that. If you're not ready to test yet, go ahead and click Assessment Off. Accompaniment will play all of the music from all the instruments. You can either put that on or off. My part will play just your part, but it'll be a piano sound. So let's test this out. I want to play my part and hear what it sounds like. So I click Start. And I'll stop it using the space bar. So that's what it sounds like. If I want to hear everybody, I can put the accompaniment on, start it again. Okay, if I want to work on just a certain measure, I can go up here where it says bar and beat. So if I wanted to work on measure 13, this measure right here, I would just type in measure 13 over to measure 13 beat 4. You can loop this, which means it will go over and over and play it for you. But let's say I am ready to test. I'm going to test by putting the assessment on. I'm going to test only measure 13. Fix that. Okay, and I'm going to hit Start Take, and it'll give me 4 clicks, and then I will record my part. Of course, you would have been playing your flute at this point, or whatever instrument you're playing, and you would get a grade here had you recorded something. Okay, if you want to listen to that back, you can hit Listen. You can record as many times as you want. Over here lists which time you played it and your score, and if you want to keep it or not. And that is how to use SmarMusic.